Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 2, The Dog at the Well. A mother dog and her pups lived on a farm. There was a well on their farm. The mother dog always told her pups never to go near or play around it. One day, one of the pups was overcome by curiosity, wondering why they weren't allowed to go near the well. He decided he wanted to explore it. He went down to the well and climbed up the wall to peek inside. He saw his reflection in the well water but thought it was another dog. The little pup got angry when his reflection imitated him, so he decided to fight it. The little pup jumped into the well only to find there was no dog. He began to bark and bark until the farmer came to rescue him. The pup had learned his lesson and never returned to the well again. The moral: always listen to what elders say and don't defy them. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.